stop worrying about your Porsche depreciating into oblivion. By 2030, the way we buy, own, and sell luxury vehicles will be unrecognizable. This video isn't just about admiring beautiful cars. It's your essential guide to future-proofing your Porsche investment, ensuring it remains a smart asset for years to come. Welcome to the world of Porsche, where heritage meets innovation in a symphony of speed and sophistication. If you're a Porsche enthusiast or investor, you've likely felt the sting of market volatility, rising fuel costs, shifting regulations, and the electric revolution threatening to sideline your beloved internal combustion engine. But fear not, Porsche isn't just adapting. It's leading the charge into a future where your investment thrives. In this video, we'll explore Porsche's electrification push, the lifeline of synthetic fuels, cutting-edge autonomy and connectivity, the art of personalization, and the market forces shaping values by 2030. Buckle up. Let's dive in. First up, the electric horizon, Porsche's EV revolution. Porsche's aggressive electrification strategy is reshaping the brand's lineup, blending its legendary performance DNA with zero-emission innovation. Back in 2022, Porsche set an ambitious target: 80% of sales from electrified vehicles by 2030. While recent market dynamics, like slower EV adoption in some regions, have prompted a realignment, the core vision remains strong. Porsche is doubling down on hybrids and EVs, ensuring a balanced portfolio that honors its roots while embracing sustainability. At the heart of this shift are advanced electric platforms like the Premium Platform Electric, or PPE, and the upcoming SSP Sport. The PPE, co-developed with Audi, is a modular marvel, debuting in models like the all-electric Macan and Cayenne. It features an 800-volt architecture for lightning-fast charging, up to 270 kilowatts, adding 186 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Dual electric motors deliver blistering acceleration, with the Macan Turbo hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, all while offering a spacious interior and optimized packaging for everyday usability. This platform isn't just about speed, it's engineered for efficiency, with regenerative braking and advanced battery tech pushing ranges beyond 300 miles. Looking ahead, the SSP Sport platform, delayed to the 2030s amid strategic tweaks, promises even greater versatility. Originally EV-focused, it's being redesigned to potentially support hybrid or even ICE configurations, reflecting Porsche's flexible approach. This scalability will underpin future sports cars like the next-gen 718 and Taycan, ensuring Porsche's performance edge in a post-2030 world. Imagine a Boxster or Cayman with electric torque vectoring for razor-sharp handling, or hybrid variants that blend petrol punch with electric efficiency. The market's growing acceptance of performance EVs plays right into Porsche's strengths. With rivals like Tesla and Lucid pushing boundaries, Porsche differentiates through its motorsport heritage. Think Taycan's Nürburgring records. By 2030, as charging infrastructure expands and battery costs drop, EVs could dominate luxury segments. Your EV Porsche won't just be green, it'll be a thrill machine that holds or appreciates in value as demand surges for sustainable speed. But what about those who can't part with the roar of an engine? Enter synthetic fuels, the ICE lifeline. Porsche isn't abandoning internal combustion, it's reinventing it through massive investments in eFuels, synthetic, near-carbon-neutral petrol alternatives. Since 2022, Porsche has poured over $100 million into projects like the Haru Oni pilot plant in Punta Arenas, Chile, partnering with Siemens Energy and HIF Global. This facility harnesses wind power to produce eFuels via electrolysis, capturing CO2 from the air and combining it with hydrogen to create methanol, then refined into gasoline. Environmentally, e-fuels burn cleaner than fossil fuels, potentially reducing life cycle emissions by up to 85%. Practically, they drop into existing engines without modifications, perfect for classic 911s or modern GT3s. Imagine fueling your air-cooled Porsche with guilt-free petrol that preserves its soul while meeting stringent emission standards. For classics, this means longer road legality. For new models, it extends ICE viability in hybrid setups. By 2030, the regulatory landscape could favor e-fuels. With EU bans on new ICE sales looming, exceptions for synthetic fuels are being discussed, especially in motorsport, where Porsche already tests them in Super Cup races. Consumer demand will rise as eco-conscious buyers seek performance without compromise. Prices may start high, around $45 per gallon initially, but scale-up could drop them to competitive levels. Porsche's strategy ensures your ICE investment stays relevant, potentially boosting resale values as e-fuels become mainstream. Shifting gears, autonomous driving and connectivity beyond the wheel. Porsche's approach to autonomy is refreshingly balanced, enhancing the drive without stealing the wheel. Unlike full self-driving rivals, Porsche prioritizes driver engagement, integrating advanced assistance that feels like an extension of your skills. In 2026 models like the Macan Electric and Taycan, features include Porsche Drive Assist with hands-on semi-autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping that anticipates curves for a more natural feel. Connectivity elevates this further. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly integrate your digital life, while the Porsche Digital Key lets you unlock via smartphone, no fob needed. Augmented reality head-up displays project navigation and warnings onto the windshield, and over-the-air updates keep software fresh. Voice assistants like Amazon Alexa via Porsche Voice Pilot handle everything from climate control to music, all without distracting from the road. These tech integrations add real value: safer commutes, smarter navigation with real-time traffic, and enhanced usability for long trips. Yet Porsche ensures the core feel remains. Manual overrides and sport modes keep you in control. By 2030, as Level 3 autonomy becomes standard in luxury cars, your connected Porsche will appreciate as a tech-savvy asset, appealing to buyers who want innovation without losing the thrill. Now let's talk personalization, aftermarket and customization, personalizing value. The aftermarket for Porsches is booming, with official Porsche Classic parts and restoration services ensuring your investment endures. Porsche's factory restoration in Atlanta and global centers offer bumper-to-bumper revivals, using over 80,000 genuine parts, from engines to interiors. Whether it's a 356 or 933, these services restore to concourse quality, often increasing values by 20 to 50%. Trends in personalization are evolving through Porsche exclusive manufacture and Sonderwunsch programs. Bespoke options include custom paints, even beyond traditional colors, via innovative finishes, premium leathers, carbon fiber accents, and embroidered details. For new models, you can spec unique wheel designs or aero kits. For pre-owned, retrofits like modern infotainment blend old with new. These unique specs enhance long-term resale. A one-of-one Porsche commands premiums at auctions. By 2030, as personalization becomes a luxury norm, your customized ride could see values double, turning passion into profit. Finally, market dynamics and investment outlook 2030. Global economic factors will shape the luxury car market, projected to hit $782 billion by 2030, driven by EV adoption and premium demand. Rising wealth in emerging markets, sustainability mandates, and tech integration fuel growth, though tariffs and supply chain issues pose risks. In North America alone, the market could reach $82 billion with a 9% CAGR. Key Porsche models poised to appreciate. The 911 retains top honors, depreciating just 19.5% over 5 years, best in class. Classics like air-cooled 911s and transaxle models 944, 928 are surging, with some doubling by 2030. Water-cooled gems like the 996 or 997, undervalued now, could explode. EVs like Taycan may hold steady as tech advances, while hybrids bridge the gap. In conclusion, view your Porsche as a passion asset with real potential. By leveraging EVs, eFuels, tech, and customization, you're not just owning a car, you're securing a legacy. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and share your Porsche stories below. Drive safe and invest smart.